They told us artificial intelligence was born in Silicon Valley. But what if I told you its real roots go back over 1,000 years? To a Muslim scholar in Baghdad who never even touched a computer, this isn't just a history lesson. It's a journey, connecting the dots between ancient Islamic knowledge and today's AI revolution. From Al-Khwarizmi's algorithms to ChatGPT's neural networks, we're exploring how the Muslim world didn't just contribute to science, it helped shape the very tools we use today. And the question we're really here to ask is, can Islam and artificial intelligence move forward together? Or are we heading into a future where our values and our humanity are left behind? Let's face it, when we hear AI, most people think of tech giants like Google, Apple, or OpenAI. We imagine robots, self-driving cars, or ChatGPT writing essays. But hardly anyone stops to ask, where did all this come from? And even fewer are asking, what does Islam say about this future we're rushing into? Should Muslims be excited, worried, or even involved at all in AI? It's easy to feel like this is someone else's world, built by coders, run by companies, and dominated by Western ideologies. But here's the truth. Muslims were the original algorithm builders. The tools we use today are built on foundations laid centuries ago by scholars who feared Allah, loved knowledge, and believe in using intellect for good. And if we forget that, we risk letting our future be shaped without us. The origin story who was Al-Khwarizmi? In the 9th century, a young Persian scholar named Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi was working at the House of Wisdom in Baghdad. This wasn't just a library. It was the Silicon Valley of its time, a melting pot of knowledge, ideas, and translation, where scholars translated Greek, Indian, Persian, and even Chinese texts into Arabic. But Al-Khwarizmi didn't just translate, he created. His most famous work, Kitab al-Jabr wal Kabbalah, the book that introduced algebra to the world. Yes, algebra. That subject you probably hated in school, it came from al-Jabr. But here's where it gets interesting. Al-Khwarizmi also worked on step-by-step problem-solving methods. Those methods were called algorithms, named after him. So when we talk about artificial intelligence today, understand this. AI is built on algorithms. Algorithms came from Al-Khwarizmi, and Al-Khwarizmi was a devout Muslim who believed knowledge should serve humanity. That's where this story begins. Islam's approach to knowledge wasn't just about numbers. It was spiritual, purposeful, deeply rooted in the Quran and Sunnah. The very first word revealed to the Prophet Muhammad was Iqra, read. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes thinking, reflecting, and using aql, intellect. In fact, during the Islamic Golden Age, 8th to 13th century, Muslim scientists were making breakthroughs in astronomy, Ibn al-Haytham, medicine, Ibn Sina, engineering, al-Jazari, philosophy, al-Farabi, al-Ghazali, logic and language, al-Kindi. And they weren't just collecting knowledge, they were building systems. Take al-Jazari, for example. In the 12th century, he designed programmable machines. Yes, programmable, using gears and water flow. Some even call him the father of robotics. All of this was happening at a time when Europe was deep in the Dark Ages. The reason? Islam didn't see science and religion as separate. Seeking knowledge was considered a bada, a form of worship. But over time, that light began to fade. By the 14th and 15th centuries, the Islamic world began to slow down in scientific growth. Colonialism, political instability, and internal division played their part. Meanwhile, Europe took what it had learned from Islamic texts, often without giving credit, and launched into the Renaissance, the scientific revolution, and eventually the tech boom. And here we are today, living in a world run by algorithms, AIs, and machine learning, but completely disconnected from the ethical and spiritual frameworks that once guided scientific progress. And that's dangerous, because if we build powerful tools without purpose, we risk creating technology that doesn't care about humans. Or worse, treats humans as data. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly transitioned from a futuristic concept to an integral part of our daily lives. It's no longer confined to science fiction. It's here, influencing various aspects of society. Healthcare, AI algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even suggesting treatment plans. Education, personalized learning platforms adapt to individual student needs, enhancing educational experiences. Employment, automated systems screen resumes, influencing who gets job interviews and who doesn't. Law enforcement, predictive policing tools aim to forecast criminal activity, affecting surveillance and patrolling strategies. Art and creativity, AI generates music, paintings, and literature, challenging traditional notions of creativity. While these advancements are impressive, they also raise profound questions. Who owns and controls the vast amounts of data AI systems rely on? Are these systems perpetuating existing societal biases? What moral and ethical frameworks are guiding AI development? These concerns are not merely technical. They are deeply ethical and moral. AI is not just about machines making decisions. It's about the values and principles embedded within those decisions. Islam offers a comprehensive ethical framework that can guide the development and implementation of AI. Justice, ensuring fairness and equity in all aspects of life. AI systems must be designed to uphold justice, avoiding discrimination and bias. Beneficence, striving for excellence and doing good. AI should aim to benefit humanity, enhancing well-being and quality of life. Accountability. Individuals and organizations must be responsible for their actions. Developers and users of AI must be accountable for the outcomes of these systems. Privacy. Respecting individuals' privacy is paramount. AI systems must protect personal data and avoid unwarranted surveillance. Transparency, openness in processes and decisions. AI algorithms should be transparent, allowing for understanding and scrutiny. These principles are derived from the Quran and the Sunnah, providing a moral compass for navigating complexities of AI. There have been instances where AI systems have exhibited problematic behaviors. Studies have shown that some facial recognition systems have higher error rates for individuals with darker skin tones, leading to misidentification and potential injustices. AI-driven hiring tools have, in some cases, favored certain demographics over others, perpetuating workplace inequalities. Algorithms used to predict criminal activity have disproportionately targeted minority communities, raising concerns about racial profiling. These examples underscore the importance of embedding ethical considerations into AI development. Without a guiding moral framework, AI can inadvertently reinforce societal injustices. Given the ethical challenges posed by AI, it's imperative for Muslims to actively engage in its development. Scholarly engagement. Islamic scholars and ethicists should collaborate with technologists to ensure AI aligns with Islamic values. Educational initiatives. Incorporating AI ethics into educational curricula can prepare future generations to navigate and shape the AI landscape responsibly. Community involvement. Muslim communities should be informed and involved in discussions about AI, advocating for systems that reflect their values and concerns. By participating in these ways, Muslims can help steer AI development toward outcomes that are just equitable and beneficial for all. Imagine a future where AI systems promote social justice, algorithms designed to identify and mitigate societal inequalities, enhance spiritual well-being, AI tools that support religious practices, such as prayer time reminders or Qur'anic study aids, foster global collaboration, platforms that encourage cross-cultural understanding and cooperation. Such a future is attainable if we commit to integrating ethical principles into AI development. Islam's rich ethical tradition offers valuable insights that can contribute to this endeavor. AI is reshaping our world, presenting both opportunities and challenges. As Muslims, we are called to engage with these developments thoughtfully and ethically. By grounding our approach in Islamic principles, we can contribute to an AI-driven future that upholds justice, compassion, and human dignity. Let's bring it all together. The roots of AI go back to a Muslim scholar, Al-Khwarizmi. Islamic values once defined the scientific world. AI today is powerful, but dangerous without ethics. Islam offers a framework to guide technology toward justice, mercy, and truth. This isn't just about remembering history. It's about reclaiming our future. So the question isn't, what will AI become? It's, what will we choose to build? Hit subscribe, and let's build the future together.